and here 2H is anode and gives us amide group. In further, if we take H2O with dilute HCl, it gives us carboxylic acid RCOOH, that is our carboxylic acid. If it react with sodium in presence of ethanol or in platinum plate in presence of hydrogen, it gives us primary amine. We can test this various experiment by taking various example, like when we take methyl cyanide, it gives us methyl amanide. से भली एठी कोन दबो एसिटिक एसिड, एठी कोन दबो amine, that is our ethyl amine. So the question is arise, first alkyl cyanide is react, how alkyl cyanide is formed, then again the reaction is, for example, RX gives RCN. How RCN gives RCNH2. That is one type of question. That is our conversion mechanism. Next we read about substitution by isocyanide. आइसो ग्रुप जमती CN तमर जदि ताको जस्ट रिवर्स करिवो, दैट इज NC, दैट इज आवर आइसोसियानाइड. हाउ आइसोसियानाइड इज फॉर्म, alkyl halide when react with AgCN, that is silver cyanide, it gives RN triple bond C, that is here a coordinate bond, that is alkyl isocyanide. जमती C, here C triple bond N, that is our cyanide. If it is just reverse, that is N triple bond C and it is represented by a coordinate bond, then that is our isocyanide. So if we react haloalkane with KCN, that gives us alkyl cyanide. If it react with silver cyanide, that gives us isocyanide. Like cyanide, isocyanide also react with various reagent and gives various product like RNC. When react with 2H2O, in cyanide it gives us acetic acid, but here it gives us primary amine plus HCH or an aldehyde. When it react with hydrogen, in cyanide it gives us primary amine, here it gives secondary amine. That is the difference between cyanide and isocyanide. Next we read substitution by nitro group. What is nitro group? NO2. If when alkyl halide react with silver, what is AgNO2? That is our nitro group, but when it is named as, that is our silver nitrate. When alkyl or haloalkane react with silver nitrate, it gives us nitroalkane. Like CH3 CH2 Cl, ethyl chloride. When react with silver nitrate, it gives CH3 CH2 NO2 nitroethane. Here the nucleophile is NO2. NO2 is a neutral nucleophile. Next reaction is substitution by amino group. Amino group means here the nucleophile is in a nitrogen containing group, that is our ammonia. Substitution by amino group. When haloalkane is react with NH3, NH3 must be ethanolic, that means alcoholic. When alkyl halide reacts with ammonia, that gives us amine. How amine? What is amine? R NH2. How ammonium? That means an hydrogen is removed from here and attached to that alkyl group, so it gives RNH2 plus HX, that is our substitution by amino group. Take example CH3 CH2 Br plus NH3, that gives us CH3 CH2 NH2, that name is ethyl amine or ethanamine. In substitution by hydrosulfide group, what is hydrosulfide group? That is our sulfur, that is H, that is hydrosulfide. When it attached with a metal, that is metal hydrosulfide, so hydrosulfide group. When RX is react with NaSH, so it is known as sodium hydrosulfide. How we determine the nucleophile here? That is a metal that must be possess some positive charge and the other part must possess some partial negative charge. So this negative is attached to alkyl group RSH plus NaX. So that is alkyl hydrosulfide, that must arrive in entrance, that is not in your syllabus. Next, order of reactivity. In previous properties we know about the order of, that is Ri chlorine greater than bromine, that is your order of reactivity. That is all about your chemical properties of the haloalkane group.